How long have you been a franchisee for? And what's the benefits of franchising versus starting your own business? Like why buy a franchise versus start your own business? So you said you have a couple of different brands, right? And what's the difference between having one brand and multiple brands? And what's that scale look like and the earning potential look like when you have multiple brands? What brand are you with?
I'm with Jack in the Box, Black Bear Diner, Qdoba.
Oh, nice. How long have you been a franchisee for?
My parents bought their first Jack in the Box in '88. I was born in '90, 34 years old, so I've been 34 years and 9 months.
Nice. Multi-generation, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. That's awesome. And what's the benefits of franchising versus starting your own business? Like why buy a franchise versus start your own business?
I don't believe in one or the other, I guess. For me, I like the fact that franchising, you could just focus on the people. It's a little bit more de-risked. You see mom and pop restaurants or starting your own business. I don't want to say way more upside, but you feel like there's a chance that a lot of these franchises started as a single unit operation that ballooned into a franchise. So of course, there's always that desire to chase something like that. But what I do like about the franchise model is it's typically pretty de-risked. You get a lot of support that you might not have if you're just figuring it out yourself, and those are some expensive lessons if you're just doing it yourself.
Yeah, no, absolutely. And also, you said you have a couple of different brands, right? And what's the difference between having one brand and multiple brands? And what's that scale look like and the earning potential look like when you have multiple brands?
Oh boy, that's a long answer there. So I think diversification is always nice. The 3 brands I have kind of sit in different segments of the restaurant industry. So, when the economy's good, sit down and a little higher check average brand does a little better. When the economy's bad, people trade down to a QSR brand. So having that diversification kind of helps you weather the storm that happens. But on the flip side, what I like and why I stay in just the restaurant industry and different segments in it is people always have to eat. So it helps you kind of weather that storm, and you can weather trends being multi-brand, and you keep yourself busy. Pandemic dine-in is gone, but drive-thrus are pumping. Economy's good. There's a lot of opportunity to do an elevated experience at dine-in. So you stay busy longer. I guess that helps.
And for generational wealth, like this was something that your family, parents started, and now you're involved. And as you look to kind of give it on to the next generation, having multiple brands also build something large enough to really have it as a legacy and generational wealth as well.
Absolutely. I mean, I stand on the shoulder of a giant. I benefited from my dad, high school dropout from India, immigrated here. Restaurant industry I think it was and is one of the last meritocracies where, it doesn't really matter if you're, color of your skin, your, preferences anywhere else, gay, straight, whatever. It doesn't really matter if you're willing to work, you can make it. So, and my dad took advantage of it, and I got to take advantage of his success by, being able to be educated here. I got a law degree, but I came back to the restaurants because, again, people always got to eat. So, absolutely, I think it's a great tool for generational wealth. I humbly hope to be a part of that story.
That's great. Well, congratulations on all your success. We wish you all the best. Thank you.
Do you want to franchise your business and take it to a whole new level? Click the link below to schedule a free consultation today.